Now we know learning is fun. Let's go, let's go. Who says woof woof every day? It's the dog, happy and gay. Who says moo moo in the farm? It's the cow with gentle charm. Who can moo so big and strong? It's the lion all day long. Who can sing up in the sky? It's the bird flying high. Who has a trunk so long and grand? It's the elephant, strong and grand. Animal sounds, now we know learning is fun. Let's go, let's go.